What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. My name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. So today, guys, I'm gonna make another vlog style video. So today is currently Monday and just got off work. So just to kind of give you guys a little update about what's been going on in the lawn. So we just turned the calendar. It is now the beginning of June. So things in the lawn are kind of changing. We've getting some afternoon thunderstorms. It's kind of cloudy and overcast. So, you know, as temperatures are warming up here, you know, things in the lawn tend to kind of slow down. But we are still pushing with some nitrogen. The lawn is still growing. So we got to keep up with the mowing right now. You know, we're going to get into some periods of heavy rain, so we want to make sure we keep the lawn mowed, not breaking that 1/3 rule. So I'm going to fire up the mower and get some shots of me mowing. I, like a lot of other people, took advantage of the sale that Yard Mastery and GCI Turf were having, so I ordered some products over the weekend. They should deliver either tomorrow or the next day. So after we get done mowing, I think maybe Friday or Saturday, it'll be time to mow again. We'll do a spray. I'll show you guys what those products are. So super excited. Thank you so much for checking out the video. If you will, before we get started, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like. With that being said, let's get into the video. Got a really great mow on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of the footage there. I had to ask my 12-year-old daughter to see if she wouldn't do some filming and get you guys some different angles. But yard is looking great, super thick. The color is just fantastic. If you remember, we threw down that Freedom fertilizer. You know, we also reduced the mowing height. We're mowing at 3.5 inches and the lawn has just popped. I mean, it's looking great. So really quickly, by the time you guys see this video, it will be getting close to Father's Day. And so I wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be running a sale on my lawn plans for Father's Day. So if you want to pick one up, it's going to be 10% off if you use the code Father's Day 24 and the coupon code whenever you check out. So makes a great gift for Dad, a great way to give Dad the gift of a great looking lawn in the family too. So here we are, it's Monday. Again, I said in the beginning of the video, we're waiting on a package to come. I'll show you guys a little bit later on in the week what that is. And I'll show you guys throwing it down and kind of my thoughts on why I chose those products. We'll see you in a couple days.
Several days later.
All right, guys, so we made it. It's finally Friday. It has been one heck of a week. So I am just so grateful that it is finally Friday. So cheers. Hope you guys have a great weekend. But I told you I was waiting on this package to come. It came a couple days ago, and I'm super excited to open it up for you guys, show you what it is, and talk a little bit about why I chose these products and kind of what my thinking is. So let's kind of open this up and show you guys what I got. Set this down here. All right, so the first product is called CK. But the main reason I got this product is because this is a great stress reliever in our lawns. So it is, the analysis is 005, so basically just 5% potash. But you think about, this is made from sea kelp, derived from sea kelp, and you think about the environment that sea kelp has to grow in the harsh environment of the ocean, and it's been proven that sea kelp helps drive roots. So as we're going into some of the hottest months of the year, June, July, and August, around here, CK is just something that will give me a little bit of an advantage when it comes to developing those roots, stress relief. You can imagine anytime that you're under a lot of stress. As I mentioned, I've had a hard week this week, and so having a little beverage, sitting down and relaxing over the weekend is going to kind of relieve some of that stress. Well, this is exactly what this does for our lawn. This is a nice cold beverage, a nice relaxing weekend to give our lawn a chance to relax. All right. And so the other product that I got is kind of right along those lines. And it's called 002 Microgreen. And this is an application that I typically, again, it's not written in my lawn care plan because it's just not, it's not necessary. But, there's no other way to really get your micronutrients throughout the year without applying this. So typically once a year for my own lawn, based on my soil test, I'll divide this as a full gallon. I've got a 20,000 square foot lawn, so I'll take a half gallon in the front yard and a half gallon in the backyard, and that's really all I'll apply all year. I do get a really, really nice color response from this. And so this just really is a one-time application, once per year for me, but it makes it a beautiful, I can't really even describe the green color, but with these two products are kind of my summer go-to formulation. And again, the CK will help reduce some stress. It's proven to help grow deep, dark roots. So that's what we're after. And then this will give me a nice, beautiful color that I'm looking for. So another part of my summertime strategy, and I wrote this into my lawn plan, is we switch over from a granular fertilizer to a liquid. So I'll start applying GCI's 101 and 505. And I kind of up the frequency a little bit. Instead of applying every 30 to 45 days, I now will start applying every 2 or 3 weeks. A little bit lower dosage, and it just kind of evens out the turf, keeps it nice and healthy. We're still getting tons of rain. I'm going to continue to feed the lawn, so want to keep it nice and healthy. So the last thing I want to say before I wrap this video up, and as I've mentioned in several videos, we have just been getting a ton of rain. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I have an Instagram account where I like to post different things. I also have a Facebook account there too. So if you ever want to consider following me over there, that would be great. It's the DIY Lawn Coach on Instagram. And I actually put out what I called a PSA a couple weeks ago. If you have a in-ground irrigation system, to turn off the automatic watering. And I got a lot of heat from that, making that comment. But here in Western North Carolina, we've been getting tons of rain. And there are a lot of people like myself who have an in-ground irrigation system. And those are fantastic. I love having it. It is super convenient, and it makes it really easy to water. But on the flip side, it is super easy to water. So it's, a lot of people, what I find, especially clients of mine, they have these irrigation systems and they set up the timer and it waters every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And it runs for 15 minutes, 3 times a week, and they just set it and forget it.
Slide the window up, you follow all instructions, and you set it and forget it. Set it and forget it.
I would challenge you, if you have an irrigation system, to turn off that automatic timer and kind of get away from the Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule or Saturday schedule and watch the weather. And I was out driving to work this morning and I passed probably 5 or 6 houses that their irrigation system was running this morning at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning after we just got a burst of rain last night. We probably got a ½ inch of rain last night, and yet they're running their irrigation system again. So, and that will cause a host of issues. Everything from obviously inviting more fungus. It invites a shallow root system. Actually, you can get a lot of root rot from that, from the ground just being so wet. You can get a lot of thatch buildup as well from overwatering. So I would just challenge you, if you have an irrigation system, to turn off the automatic watering cycle there and just watch the weather. Make sure you're, watering as needed. I'll be honest, here we are, it is the 7th day of June, and I have ran my irrigation system maybe twice this whole year. It is really weird to not have ran it. Usually I've run it 5 or 6, 8 times by now. We're just getting plenty of water, and so there's no need to run that irrigation system. So so that about does it for the video. I really appreciate you guys watching. We're this channel, it just continues to grow, and I'm so thankful for all of you guys for watching this content. I never would have thought when I started this channel just a few months ago that I would have even 100 followers, 100 subscribers, and now I think I'm over 125, which just blows my mind. So obviously you guys are liking the content. I'm going to keep throwing it out there for you guys. If you have a question, feel free to leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know where you're from, what kind of grass type you have. I'd love to get to know you a little bit better. So my name is Devin, the DIY Lawn Coach. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the lawn.